15 crazy inventions that will amaze you. Hold on to your seats, folks. We are about to take you on a wild ride through the world of futuristic inventions. Buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Technology is a danger to humanity? What do robots do? Do they replace humans? What is the language of the future? We are going to talk about things that will happen over the next 5-10 years, which means that the majority of viewers will fall upon them, so they will watch them and live them. 1. Self-driving cars. Cars in the future will be autonomous, which means self-driving, moving alone. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, radar, and powerful computers to navigate the roads without a human driver behind the wheel. It means the largest impact of self-driving cars is expected to eliminate 90% of traffic accidents. Ooh, that is great. Self-driving cars can sense their surroundings, make decisions, and operate the vehicle entirely on their own. It is a complex mix of hardware and software that allows them to perceive the world, understand traffic rules, and navigate safely. 2. Delivery robots. As a matter of course, what is the origin of the word robot? Robot is a Czech word meaning forced labor. It is a name given to farm workers. Robota. So in the end, robots are workers. He is your worker. Imagine robots delivering your groceries or takeout. These bots are being tested for navigating sidewalks and streets to bring goods right to your door. So if you place an order, you will receive a notification on the app that your order is all ready. The product will arrive. Knowing it is you, it will be accessible. And here we go. Who knows? Maybe your next pizza will be delivered by a robot friend. 3. Future home. Let's imagine our future home and the effect of the internet technology at home. Imagine a home where everything from your thermostat to your refrigerator is connected to the internet. Smart devices will seamlessly communicate with each other, creating a truly automated and personalized living experience. The future of home internet technology is all about speed, convenience, and personalization. Our homes will become smarter, more connected, and ultimately more responsive to our needs. This exciting future holds the potential to enhance our lives in countless ways. 4. Smart back posture. Monitors. The sensors and Internet of Things have a lot of applications, one of which is in health area, like an object that sticks on your back. It could be a thin, comfortable patch that adheres to your back and monitors your back movement. So if you have a back problem, so when you don't sit properly, it sends a vibration to remind you of that. 5. AI songwriter. Who would have imagined an album by an AI songwriter? The world of music is being shaken up by a new kind of artist, the AI composer. These machines are learning to create original songs, blurring the lines between human and artificial creativity. Let's dive into this fascinating development. The future of music likely lies in collaboration. AI can be a powerful tool for human musicians, expanding their creative potential and accelerating the songwriting process. 6. Water generators. Yes, it is true. Getting all your drinking water from the air, there are a couple of technologies that can extract water from the air. Imagine a miniature version of how rain forms. It's about creating a cold surface that attracts water vapor from the surrounding air. 7. 3D printing. The dimensions of 3D printing have no limits. 3D printing is faster, more affordable, and accessible to a wider range of users. Actually, 3D printing is becoming more user-friendly, potentially leading to a future where anyone can create objects at home. 3D printing has the potential to disrupt various industries and empower individuals to become creators. It's a technology with far-reaching implications, and its future is brimming with exciting possibilities. Imagine having a party at your home and you ran out of cups. What could you do? You can print your 3D coffee cups in your home. Easy. 8. Nano. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is a rapidly developing field that deals with the manipulation of matter at the atomic and molecular scale. Imagine you have a capsule, like a pill, that has a camera that sends PIC signals as it swims along the small intestines. The good news about it is that you can swallow it and go about your usual day. Just wow, after that doctors can sit and watch the computer to analyze these pics to see what's wrong with you. 9. The self-cleaning water bottles. Staying hydrated is crucial, but let's face it, cleaning those reusable water bottles can be a real chore. Well, fear not, fellow hydrators, because the future of refreshment is here. The self-cleaning water bottle. Whether you're hitting the gym or adventuring outdoors, these bottles ensure your water stays fresh and free of funky smells. Self-cleaning water bottles are a testament to the ongoing innovation in the world of hydration solutions. As the technology evolves, we can expect even more features and functionalities to emerge. So self-cleaning bottles can encourage people to stay hydrated and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. 10. The smell vision. Imagine a world where movies aren't just seen and heard, but smelled too. This futuristic concept, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, might become a reality with the resurgence of smell-o-vision technology. Fasten your seatbelts and maybe pinch your nose as we explore this fascinating and potentially funky innovation. Advanced odor delivery systems would release specific smells at precise moments during the film, synchronized with the visuals on screen. Imagine the fresh ocean air during a pirate movie, or the sweet aroma of baking bread during a kitchen scene, or educational films that incorporate scents to create a more realistic and engaging learning experience. Introduce smell-o-vision as a fascinating concept from the past with the potential for a smelly. 11. The translator earpiece. Imagine traveling the world and seamlessly understanding conversations in any language. Translator earpieces, once a dream from science fiction, are becoming a reality. Let's delve into this exciting technology that's breaking down communication barriers. Real-time translation seems so exciting. Sophisticated technology is packed into these compact devices, allowing for near-instantaneous translation and conversation flow. So, travelers can have natural conversations with locals, overcoming language barriers and enriching their experiences. 12. The bionic prosthetic, limbs. For individuals who have experienced limb loss, bionic prosthetic limbs offer a life-changing technology. These advanced prosthetics go beyond replacing a limb. They can restore function, improve mobility, and even provide a sense of touch. Let's delve into the fascinating world of bionics and explore how these incredible devices are transforming lives. Bionic limbs allow users to perform daily tasks with greater ease and control, increasing independence and improving quality of life. 13. The solar-powered running track. Imagine a running track that doesn't just provide a place to exercise, but also generates clean energy. The concept of solar-powered running tracks is no longer science fiction. Let's lace up our virtual running shoes and explore this innovative approach to sustainable fitness. These tracks promote a greener future for fitness facilities. By generating their clean energy, they reduce reliance on fossil fuels and promote environmental responsibility. So they are more efficient and durable and specifically designed for running tracks can make this technology even more attractive. 14. Smart clothing. Ever wished your clothes could do more than just keep you warm or look stylish? The future is here with smart clothing. This exciting technology integrates electronics and textiles to create garments that go beyond fashion. Imagine tiny sensors woven into the fabric of your shirt. These sensors can track a variety of things. Imagine tiny sensors woven into the fabric of your shirt. These sensors can track a variety of things. And imagine clothes that adjust to your body temperature or activity level for ultimate comfort. As technology advances, smart clothing is poised to become more sophisticated and affordable. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we dress, manage our health, and interact with the world around us. 15. Lab-grown meat. Imagine a world where meat doesn't come from animals. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat, is a revolutionary technology on the rise. Scientists take a tiny sample of animal cells, like muscle stem cells, from a living animal, without harming the animal. These cells are placed in a nutrient-rich environment and allowed to multiply in large bioreactors, similar to those used to make some medications. As the cells multiply, they differentiate and mature, forming muscle tissue with a structure similar to conventional meat. The cultivated meat can then be processed and flavored to create a variety of meat products like burgers, sausages, or even steaks. Advancements in technology are expected to bring down the cost of lab-grown meat, making it more accessible. The future of lab-grown meat looks promising, offering a delicious and ethical way to satisfy our meat cravings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic tech adventures. Thank you for watching.